Alright, Brody, so sorry for not introducing, you know, Mike's car and the people who are with me, but honestly, I just completely forgot we're on a rush to get here. Finally, we got here. Some really dope cars, as you can see, and man, it's just overall super dope seeing this. I'll get to y'all once I get inside, so let's do it. Alright, so here we got Junior. Here we got Mike's new car. Subaru WRX. Low wagon. This thing's pretty dope. Here he goes, Mike's homie right here. This WRX is super clean, bro. I love this bay wing on her. Really nice cars. But right now, Brodies, we're finna walk around. I'm finna show you the cars. Mustang's right here. Hopefully, if y'all see it, y'all can take a little look at it. But let's get to it. So over there was general admission, right? Like all this right here, right? And that one's over, like that's the show, right?
The car show.
Yeah, that's the car show. So over here you got to pay $5, and over there you got to pay 10. And they're selling like some stuff over there.
Yeah, they're selling me.
So how much you call it, mine?
I'm on the auction house.
Shit. Best believe I'm pay for your.
Dang. Look at that red S one I just got on B-block.
Alright, let me get over there and I'm gonna get back to you.
Yeah, I bought a new 5.0.
Damn. This is yours right here?
Yeah.
How much does it make?
It makes 2 horsepower. It's got a one of those Chinese spinny boys.
Watch the dude get really offended and like finds you, tracks you down, and like rips off your damn turbo off your Subaru.
Oh, I guess it's time to put it on his. Bigger now. Bigger than time for the rotated setup on my car.
It is really nice, man.
It is.
Gray 5.0. I like that carbon fiber hood. Yeah, and these wheels are crazy. Look at this fitment, yo. Golly.
Oh, did you see his paint? It's got flake.
Oh snap! I don't know if they can see it. Dang, I don't know if you can see it. I catch it on the camera, but there's like flakes in there. That's really dope. Oh, look at this.
On the other side.
Yeah, this is dope. I didn't even realize there's this fence on there. Damn, the trunk setup's dope. It's super clean.
Oh no, this is the one with the...
The trunk setup really nice on this.
Where's the different one? No, this is different one. That's badass.
Interior super nice too. I like this.
To me, it's real nice.
Yeah, it is really nice.
Trunk beds,
Hey, I like this.
I like that.
Yeah,
bro.
this is really nice.
Bro, but on trucks, the bed.
And this should have been another Fanta, the purple ones.
That would have been nice. The purple Phantom.
Yeah.
That would have been really nice.
Acura in 6.
Bro.
I wonder what this is. Oh, so five people are gonna win those skateboards right there. Just the board itself, but it's only for the people that pay $10 to the car. Yeah, for the car for the car show. Yeah, I said for the car. Yeah, for the car show. So that's pretty dope. Too bad I don't skate. So you're right. And so this is a skate park too. So you see people skating in the background. So obviously we take their parking lot. It's a pretty dope scene though. This BMW is dope. I'm pretty sure the owner's inside and looking at me. That tint is dark. I need tint like that. Alright, homies. I'm finna wait till it gets a bit more darker than I'm recording because it's only gonna get bigger from here. Shifter, pretty dope. With the tack in there. 5.0 LX notch. These things are getting pretty rare.
Better be put up and pushed in.
For y'all who don't know, this is the Z lady. She's super influential. She has an awesome story behind her Z. Yeah, guys should definitely check it out. And people have been writing their names on there. Super dope. Definitely go check out this car.
I know. I'm gonna sign away.
Oh, you are?
Yeah,
man. I'm a record you signing.
5 minutes. It's 6:05. You got here at 6:02. I was like, all right.
What you finna write?
My name.
Oh, Mr. Store, brother.
Yeah.
Look, the lady. Ah, dang. Certified. Get your girl now.
Hey, let's go.
Had to come back here because check this out, bro. This shit's crazy. know, they're really tiny. Hey, Junior, come here. They're not that tall. Stand right here. I want to show how short it is. It's dumb short, bro. Super clean 5.0. This thing is stupid fast. And hella weight reduction, right?
Bro, no weight that much.
Look at that.
Lightest Gen 1.
Damn, I saw this from like a mile away, bro. I had to come and see it. Looks just like my homie's Andrews, but oh, look at that set over here. Turbo. This thing's clean. Damn, I wonder when it runs.
His or Andrews?
His.
Sorry, Andrew.
Look at the side exhaust from the fender. Damn, you can see right there what's been messed up. Super cool. Alright, buddies, I'm gonna close out the video. Thanks for watching. Super dope cars here at MDS. And again, I think they happen like every first Monday of each month. So best believe I'm gonna come more often. But super dope cars. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, share it to your friends, family, and see you till next time.